Today is Monday, July 8th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. I do hope that you all had a really nice 4th of July weekend. It was hot at times. It was definitely very humid at times. And we got a little bit of that continuing now here into this Monday, where it will be hot and humid. We have a heat advisory that is in effect for New York City. Let's talk about this week, though. It is going to stay humid, not just today, but pretty much all week long. So we got a lot of that coming our way. But we also have Beryl, which was a hurricane, then a tropical storm, sort of strengthening back into a hurricane right before landfall, now weakening as it pushes into eastern Texas. But the remnants of Beryl could bring us some really heavy rain on Wednesday. Temperatures are still going to stay warmer than normal, so we're looking at a warm, humid, and pretty wet week, especially from Wednesday into Thursday. Here's the New York City metro forecast. Feeling muggy this morning. It's going to be a hot afternoon. 90 will feel more like 95 to 100 when you factor in that humidity, and will fall back very slowly into the low 80s later on today. We also have an air quality alert in effect today, so it is unhealthy for those that fall into sensitive groups, and we're talking about people that have asthma, for example. So if you're one of those folks, you want to avoid outdoor strenuous activity because it can really be hard on your respiratory system when you have this level of pollutant in the air. 92 with a forecast high for Albany, 90 in Syracuse, 86 in Buffalo, 92 over there in Columbus, 96 in Philly. And there could be some thunderstorms around Philly up through northeastern Pennsylvania and over the Catskills, basically the higher terrain of eastern Pennsylvania up through the Catskills. Tonight, temperatures stay warm in the 70s, so it is going to be a warm night, which leads to, of course, another warm day tomorrow. Lots going on the weather map. You got the extreme heat out west. You have Beryl making landfall south of Galveston with the storm surge, of course, on the front right side of that storm. And that's also, we have a tornado threat today as well. Then you have the really heavy rain, 3 to 6 inches of rain in just 24 hours. And all of that moisture and heavy rain is going to push off to the north and east and arrive in the northeast on Wednesday. So some of the rain locally heavy on Wednesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms. More of that still Thursday. And that moisture sort of lingers. It's not going to be raining all the time, but there's a lot of water vapor in the air, moisture, and so anytime it rains, it can really come down the second half of this week. So that is your Monday morning weather update. What a Monday it is. Lots going on. I hope you all have a great start to your week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.